Hey there, viewer. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot, and this is a reading. Yes or no question. What regarding your any matter in your love life, or general in love life, or in career matters. So this is the reading for all Earth sign. So I will do one by one. First, I will do for Taurus, then for Virgo, and then for Capricorn. So I have already shuffled my card. Now I'm doing first for the Taurus. So Taurus, I will already shuffle my card. Now I will cut them in three piles. Let's see what is coming up for you. Three of Wands, and underneath the deck you have Two of Cups. It seems like your question is about regarding your love life. So you want to offer something for you want to offer your commitment to someone, but you are fearing that someone will left you if you offer them, or you want this soulmate connection with them. You want to reconcile with someone. Maybe you are separating from someone, or maybe you are lacking in finances. If you are separating from your partner, you want to offer your stability toward them, or stability of your marriage or love life, to have this soulmate connection in your life. So your question is that will you get back your partner in your life, or get this Two of Cup connection again in your life, or maybe some financial lack are going on in your life, and you are very much worrying over your finances, or you are waiting for your money to come, or you want some financial stability, abundance in your life, very very much, or to have this to secure your soulmate connection, secure a marriage, or secure your love life situation in the month of September. So your question regarding this, your answer is that Three of Wands. So your answer is yes. You, whatever you are waiting for, maybe you are waiting to your partner come back to you, or reconcile with your partner, or you want some financial securities or finances to make this soulmate connection or marriage connection last forever. So your answer is yes. You can have your security, your financial security, or your love life security, your marriage security in the month of September. You will able to get that security, financial security. Whatever your ships are, whatever ship you are waiting for, they are coming toward you, and you will have your financial and home life, family life security in the month of September. So hope this is helping you to get your answer from the universe. So if so, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Hey there, Virgo. Welcome to my channel. This is the reading for your yes or no question regarding your any matter regarding love life, regarding your career life, or any general matter in your life you are going through. I have already shuffled my card, and I will help you to get that answer for the question, whatever in your mind, for the month of September from the universe. And I have already shuffled my card, and I will cut them in three piles. I will take one card only to for yes or no answer. So you have Knight of Swords, and you have Ace of Cups underneath the deck. So Ace of Cups is very beautiful cards. So your answer is that maybe this is you, Virgo, King of Pentacle, or maybe you are very much going good in your finances, or your business life, or maybe this is someone in your life. Maybe this is your partner who is doing very much or maybe he's some kind of business owner, or maybe this person is going good in their business and finances and careers. But you have some kind of tug of war going on in your mind, or maybe this person, or maybe you are dealing with some kind of fighting issues around you, but you want this Ace of Cup, new beginning with your partner. You want your partner uh, with a new emotional beginning. You want maybe them to take a break from their uh, business and come toward you, or end this tug of war kind of situation, mind games, to end this mind game, and you want to start something new in your life, in emotionally, maybe someone new coming in for you. So you want answer from the universe that should you will you have this new emotional beginning with your partner who is busy in their work, or will you have this emotional security or new beginning in your love life in the month of September? So your answer is yes. You will have this very much you will have this, someone wants to come toward you quickly, or you have this emotional security and emotional new beginning in month of September, and it is coming toward you very rushingly. Maybe you will have this new beginning in your love life with your partner, um, quickly. Maybe something happen in quickly in your life which will give you this emotional security or emotional new beginning in the month of September. So hope this is the answer of your question, or you got the your answer from the universe, whatever question in your mind. If so, please let me confirm in the comments below. Like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Hey there viewers, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot, and this is the yes or no question for the sign of Capricorn. I have already for my card, and I will cut them in three piles. I will pull one card for you, and whatever question in your mind in the month of September regarding your love life, or maybe in general matter in your life, or maybe regarding your career life. So I will try to take the answer of your question from the universe and deliver it to you as I can do it my best. So I will cut them in three piles now. So two cards wanted to come out for you. You have Seven of Swords and the Page of Pentacles, and underneath the deck you have Four of Cups. So what is the question in your mind is that you want to reconcile maybe someone from your past, or maybe this is the matter regarding your children's, or someone from your past, and you are stuck in your thoughts about your regarding someone. Maybe you are thinking much, or getting nostalgic, being nostalgic in the month of September about someone, and you are stuck in your thoughts, and you are thinking what is not in reality, or you are just overthinking about it. Maybe you are overthinking about someone from your past, or you are thinking wrong about them. It can be the situation, and you want to move forward from this lot of thoughts and confusion situation, um, and you are getting very much bored from this old habits, or maybe whoever this someone from your past, you are not taking them again back in your life. So your question maybe is that will you move forward from these thoughts, or from someone from your past, thoughts about them from someone, you will able to move forward from them, from these thoughts in month of September. So your answer is that you will be able in some in some level you will be able to get rid of them, but they are very much manipulators and liars. They are trying to enter your life, but you have to be careful from them. So whoever this person will try to um, uh, make you down again, or maybe will try to take advantage you again by offering you something beautiful. They will try to manipulate or lying or cheat you again. So your answer is that you have to be careful for that that person, or maybe this is the situation from your um, work life. Maybe someone in your work is trying to manipulate you, or you want very much bored and stuck in this situation from in past situation, whatever from whatever you have in past with that person, or with this job, or whatever is this, you are stuck there and you want to move again, or you are not want to take this job offer, or maybe that person again in your life. So someone in your job or someone in your love life from your past is trying to come back or try to manipulate you or cheat you again by being a sweet person and offering you something, some kind of expensive gift. So they were actually a liar or cheater. So you have to be careful from them. So something or someone from past is not good for you, so your answer is no. So hopefully I deliver my message for your yes or no question successfully. If so, please let me confirm in the comments below. Like my videos and share it, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.